In the next episode of Azak Sari, the emotional center with the shift of Naira, he will be wake up to house filled with murmuring, unanswered question and man discussing revenge as through her pain, where another family matter. The attack at the wedding will have to taken someone important her life, and Naira will refuse to let other decide what they lose mean. While Sadakat want to silence, Sihan wants to fact. Naira will walk through the damaged courtyard collecting small clue everyone else ignore a torn cliff bullet chasing the weapon and not used by either family. A piece of cloth marked with the symbol of Kartal organization, she will become too convinced that violence was not sudden act for reg, carefully planned operation. Sihan's absence will hang over to the scene. Some will believe escaped, other will fear he died, but Naira will reject both rumor until she see proof that she will follow the trial to abandon farmhouse and discover a hidden room from Sihan had been gathered evidence against Burhan Damir, and before the wedding he noticed will reveal that accepted a new enemy entered the region and that he trusted only to Ufaq while part of the family. When Ufaq arrived, Naira point a weapon at the same time demand answer. He will admit that Sihan asked to protect the family if anything happened, but he will not reveal where Sihan is. Naira will interrupt his silence and betrayal at the same time. Aliha will contact Naira from hiding, asking whether Sihan survived the attack. Naira will tell him the truth. Sihan is alive, but the family is clapping because everyone is sacrificing themselves without trusting the people they love. Her word will force to Aliha consider her escape. Naira will confront Sihan, accuse him of forcing so completely Aliha that he ignored the pattern behind the violence. Sihan will accept the criticism and give Naira authority to lead the internal investigation. This decision will shock to Sadakat, who will never imagined Naira holding power in a family. The final act will show to Naira using Sihan's notice to lure one of Karthal man into the trap. The captured man will be revealed that Sihan is alive but being hold a leverage. He will also say that Karthal does not want to money or land first. He wants to see Hans under a person hidden inside Albora family. The episode will be Naira looking across the maybe searching from someone who trusted true identity